everyone and welcome back to our channel HassanPTE. In this video I am going to do retailer lecture because retailer it's a speaking question where you hear on audio. Basis of audio you have to retell a lecture. We have a structure. The structure is similar to our describe image. We said in describe the picture is about. So here we said the audio is about. Now without further ado I am going to start first. However, in exam 1 to 2 questions in real exam, but here I am practicing to use sheet paper and pen. 15 words are enough for content. It will enough a lots of them which will cover 90 by 90. Some people feel that they speak to talk more, but it's actually a myth. If you follow what I am doing and getting more words need to write for 90 by 90. The template is that the audio was mainly about. So it is the end of the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. So this is a way to attempting the retailer lecture.
Most fundamental basic form of human physical activity. The average sort of hunter-gatherer will take 15,000 steps a day. The average American before the pandemic was taking something like 4,700 and something steps a day. Only about 20% of Americans get the very minimum levels of exercise that every health organization in the world thinks is the minimum for an adult, which is 150 minutes a week. So 80% of us really struggle and fail to get very basic amounts of exercise, but almost everyone says that they want to get enough exercise. We live in a world where we no longer have to be physically active. We now, in a very strange way, have to choose to be physically active, and that's not so easy cause there were no ellipticals and other kinds of machines back in the Stone Age. If you want to get your heart rate up, you probably were running. And one of the biggest myths about running is that it'll destroy your knees. There's tons and tons of studies, more than a dozen randomized, controlled prospective, gold standard studies, which show that people who run more are not more likely to get arthritis. In fact, lots of research shows that physical activities like running actually cause your joints to repair themselves and to stay healthy. The other kinds of running injuries, I think that a lot of them are caused because we don't learn how to run properly anymore. I think running is a skill like swimming or throwing or, all kinds of other things that we do.
The audio was mainly about physical activity. In the first part of lecture, speaker talk about working is fundamental activity, also about 1500 steps a day, also about 20% of Americans and 80% really struggle, also about enough exercise, also about physical activity, also about choose machines, also about running destroy knees myth. In fact, running unhealthy. Also about working is fundamental 1500 steps a day, and also about 20% of American 80% really struggle, enough exercise, physical activity, choose machines, and I think that enough. Thank you so much. The audio was mainly about doing hard things, also about enjoy, also about difficult things, also about two things, also about mindset and inner self, also about to operate mindset, read books and good time, also about reading books, next tip, also about utilize habits, also about so work coffee. I really enjoy cup of coffee and pay of coffee addiction, reading books, also about drink coffee done, also about entire book, also about reading books, also about doing hard things, also about I really enjoy cup of coffee, also about pay of coffee addiction, reading books, and I think that enough. Thank you so much.